Please don't see this video on the data saver file type. You will not be able to see the smaller print.
The most important motivator for living is to have a wish of trying to acquire a likable strength, which likable strength is practically possible to acquire.
A caution even before you start watching this video. Strength is not arrogance, and arrogance is not strength, it is weakness. And if weakness has not been caused so far, it actually with time leads to weakness. Trying to seek enjoyment as a purpose of living without seeking some form of strength is a recipe for disastrous life, a suffocating life. Strength of some type should be desired by each and every person. Think about this. The eternal question: what provides the best inspiration for righteous growth? The answer: it's the knowledge about one's actual wishes of living. However, the wishes can never be exactly the same for everyone, though they can be similar. This is because no two human beings should be expected to be the same in everything, though there can be commonality of important wishes. Apart from the situations compelled on us by destiny, everything in our life shapes as per our wishes. Wishes decide everything. The best gift that we can give to ourselves on a daily basis is the decision making skill to have two things. First, only correct wishes, not over ambition or greed, or even over cautious lack of any ambition. So, the first, only the correct wishes, and second, to put righteous efforts for such wishes out of the options which are available. Every thought, every word, and every activity should be an analyzed wish. This is more so if it will affect our life a lot. I know practically this is difficult, but at least in relation to important things, important thoughts, important words, and important activities, this should be true. The beginning of wishes depends on the impressions on our minds. Whatever impresses us is what influences us. Impressions on our minds happen because of surroundings. And such impressions can be of things, views, strengths, situations, and or persons. This can be proved by the fact that if we had to be only in a remote area, very, very remote area, with no access to modern scientific development, which development has improved people's lives out of the innovations by the scientific minded people. If we had to be in such areas, we would have got impressed only by some strong, power hungry, rustic creatures there. In modern world, with many modern facilities, we get impressed by what we like out of the many thoughts, the reasonable thoughts, viewpoints, things, situations, and reasonable strengths, and also by persons that we experience in our surroundings, especially in and around our family during our childhood. In this sense, childhood plays an important role. Reasonable strength is any non encroaching and useful ability which is not easy to acquire and so impresses the minds. It is of various types. It can be physical, it may be intellectual, it may be social, it may be financial strength of money and what money can buy. It can be emotional. It can be even courage out of truth based conscience without any other strength. Not all types of strengths may impress or influence all types of people. The influencing strength often shapes the impressions in the particular person. It often shapes the values also. A value means whatever a person thinks is extremely important. That is what a value means. So, this influencing strength can definitely thus shape wishes. What we like depends often on what we treat as strength that is liked by us. And it is also based on the comfort or discomfort that is foreseen. In this sense, not all people like the same things, the same thoughts, the same situations, or the same persons, even if there may be some merit in each such. Note this, no one consciously wants to be weak. Every person wants some strength of some type, and this is the motivator. The crux is to know what type of likable strength you want to have. Next, in our minds, the development, that is growth of our wishes, depends on our assessment as to whether the wishes are likely to be fulfilled practically or not. The wishes obviously may be physical, intellectual, social, financial, emotional, or any other. This is because no sensible human being puts efforts towards anything that he feels is not possible to achieve. This is the crux, either to motivate or to demotivate. Which means two things: likable strength that is required, that is wanted, that is wished. And second, the likable strength should be possible to achieve and should be imagined, believed as possible to be achieved. These two things are the crucial motivators. So, the true purpose of life should be to have a primary wish to become competent in some useful sphere, that is field of living, and to use such competence for the benefit of people by using good conduct of self. Out of the options available to you, find out the field in which you have liking, relating to which you have ability or can acquire ability, and for which people pay well. All these three elements, that is liking, ability, and scope, which means the paying ability of the field, must be present. Dedicate your life in such a field. This is the mantra to do well in life. In this process, we generally get what we need in relation to almost all our other wishes, which other wishes can be said to be secondary wishes. People pay for what they want and for what they like. Without involvement of people, no money or recognition can be obtained. All activities which increase the comfort of people and reduce their difficulties, which means which increase the happiness also of people, are parts of positive work. And everyone must strive for positive work. All other activities are either relaxation or pure waste of time if they are not negative. Negative activities are activities which are done in order to increase others' discomfort or to create negative feelings or viewpoints or trouble for others. I am Dr. Vijay Raj Desai. I was inspired by education as the means to do well in life. During my childhood, I did not get much impressed by money, status, or the desire to dictate terms to others. Please have the right wish of acquiring the right strength, which is practically possible for you to acquire. May God bless you. Do well in life.